This is Sean with WATI and trying to find a good alternative for not just drinking soda all the time is this polar beverage, sparkling beverage with this little mixture of grapefruit and lime juice. It's just great. And one of the things that I like from it straight ahead, it's the softness and at the same time low in sugar, great flavor when it comes to the grapefruit and the lemon and the lime juice. It's soft, it's just easy to drink, it's low in sugar, so I can just rest easy. And I have the wide variety of just mixing it with maybe a cocktail. Just want to drink it plain straight, no problem at all. Take this to different places, or just like having a nice drink around me, or just like getting it together with one of my meals. So if you're just trying to take it easy, not going too high in sugar, lately these past few months have been kind of tough with me and all that. So I'm trying to lowering it down, better options. And actually, this polar drink it's really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.